Well, hearings into the fitness of suspended Public Protector Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane to hold office continue in Parliament today. The Section 194 committee that seized with the issue has been hearing witnesses onto a third witness, in fact, today, who worked as a senior investigator in the office of the Public Protector. Tebogo Kekana has been cross-examined by the evidence leader, Advocate Nazreen Bawa, on the South African Reserve Bank versus the Public Protector case, including the dairy farm report as well. Newzroom Afrika's Athi Mtongana has been listening in. Athi joins us live now to give us an update at lunchtime on how things have been going. Athi, what has been the nub of Kekana's evidence so far?
Quite interesting, Tembegile, to say the least, given the fact that this third witness is one that was a senior investigator within the office of the Public Protector, who later on lodged a complaint of misconduct against the Public Protector. This, of course, pertaining to the work that he was involved in investigating some of the issues that were presented before the office of the Public Protector, including the South African Reserve Bank issue versus the Public Protector and others, which the evidence leader, Advocate Nazreen Bawa, started off by reading the judgments in as far as the review application against the remedial actions that were proposed by the Public Protector. She read out the judgment. Remember, it's also very important that the evidence leader gives context to these issues that transpired in the courts and as far as the review applications are concerned, because they form the basis of the complaints of misconduct against the Public Protector. And so after reading out the judgment, Timbegile, she proceeded to then cross-examine this third witness, Mr. Tebogo Kekana, who lodged a complaint against misconduct in the office of the Public Protector. He went as far as to say that even the former Public Protector, Thuli Madonsela's transcripts went missing and they were misplaced, and these were needed in the investigations that were conducted. He also went as far as to note some leaked documents, and as far as the report is concerned, the CX APSA investigation report, and I'd like us to listen to some of the things that he had to say in relation to just how the investigations unfolded within the office and how he actually noted some misconduct on the side of the Public Protector.
You say in paragraph 19 of your affidavit, right, that Advocate Mkhwebane was having a discussion with the minister prior to the meeting, and he found it odd that she would do so. Why is that so, Mr. Kekana?
Well, in a meeting of that magnitude, it was not custom, or we found it odd for one to have a one-on-one meeting with an implicated party. So that's what I found it odd about the incident.
And what was the practice at the time in respect of recordings?
Well, we would record every investigation meeting, subpoena that we had.
And if you didn't have a recordal device available, would you take notes?
Yes, naturally.
And so you say that you were surprised when you were told not to do both. Who told you that, Advocate Kekana, Mr. Kekana?
The Public Protector.
Did she indicate to you why you should not be doing that?
No.
And at which stage of the meeting did she say that to you?
Early in the meeting.
There you had it, Tembegile, the witness that's been cross-examined by the evidence leader, saying that he was asked by the Public Protector not to record the meeting that took place between some of the representatives from state security. And then again, regarding the issue of the Vrede Dairy Farm report, he was also part of those investigations, Tembegile, which have subsequently landed him at the time to being placed on precautionary suspension. There he mentioned that he was instructed not to implicate any politicians in as far as adverse findings are concerned within the Vrede Dairy Farm report. Let's listen to what he had to say.
You then say you prepared several drafts of the final report.
Mm-hmm.
And none of them contained such a recommendation. And why was that so?
Because at the time, or actually I didn't believe that that recommendation was relevant for our investigation.
Athi Mtongana in Cape Town, thank you very much for that update on the impeachment hearings of the suspended Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane.